Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today we are back with something new. This is Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. So this one uses Amazon software which is called Alexa. It can be controlled by a smartphone or voice control. So let's go ahead and we do unboxing for this gadget. We say what it can do for us, but today we are focusing only on unboxing. So let's start with checking the box. The box comes with this, as you can see. It's called a smart speaker, meaning that it can be controlled by your smartphone. So what is written on the box? It's our best sounding Echo Dot, yet deliver sharp. So let's do unboxing. We'll say what is inside. So when you check here on the box outside, it shows that you can use Amazon Alexa app. What do we have here? We have the user guide menu that you can use to know how to use this speaker. So let's put this aside, since today we are not focusing on review. We are focusing only on unboxing. This is the charger. This is the original charger. Then this is the speaker. Let's put this one aside. When you check in the box, there is nothing more. So this is the speaker and the charger. There are only two things that come in the box. So far, when you check on this 5th generation, the aux pin was removed from this side, and it comes with only charging pin. Yeah, so far, so that is the unboxing, guys. If you have anything that you'd like to ask, you can put it in the comments below down. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.